Hi there, it's Megan with Epcon Communities. Welcome back to another episode of You Ask, We Answer. Today, I have a question for you. Have you been thinking about buying or building a home, but telling yourself just to wait? Wait for the rates to drop. Wait until you turn a certain age. Wait until the timing feels just right. I hear you. We hear these reasons every day. But here's the thing, there's no such thing as the perfect time. For many 55 plus buyers, this is a season of thinking ahead. The idea of moving may not feel urgent because nothing is forcing the change yet. But that's exactly why now is the ideal time to explore it. Making a move when it's a choice and not a necessity gives you freedom, control, and a peace of mind. Wouldn't you rather make this move while you're healthy and able to fully enjoy the lifestyle you've worked so hard for? Waiting often means putting off the very life improvement you've been imagining. Whether this thought crossed your mind today, last week, or last year, exploring your options now gives you something incredibly valuable. Time. Time to figure out what your wants and your needs are for the future. Time to design with purpose. And time to get the clarity and confidence needed to make the best decision. So ask yourself, is it really time you're waiting for, or is it clarity and information? If you've been waiting for the right time, this might be it. Even if you're in the early stages, that's more than okay. Sometimes the best changes begin exactly there. Let us help you live well every day.